Hello everybody. Today I will keep experimenting with Creative Fabrica Spark, which is Creative Fabrica's AI art generator. So I'm experimenting with it and I have made some designs. So today I wanted to experiment with CS Spark art. So this says create stunning artworks by using text to image, simply describe what you want to see and see magic happen. Create art. Let's go. So this is my designs, and this is how Creative Fabrica Spark shows its artwork and what is available. And this is my, I will open in another link. So I have a store on Creative Fabrica, and then I also have my Creative Fabrica Spark account where I generate patterns as I experiment. And so these are all designs I have created. So like for example, this one is my favorite. It is called pink tie-dye. So in the Spark prompt I wrote pink tie-dye, and these are the results I get. So I'm just using it as an experiment. So let's start. So use prompt today. So this is how it looks, the AI art generator. This is the art which people have generated. So what would you like to create with Creative Fabrica Spark? Use prompt builder. So I'm going to use this today. This have incredible options. So it says art medium, camera, color, display. So art medium, I'm going to choose maybe uh, watercolor, or I can write it here. Add your initial prompt, and then I will pink pastel chalk paint. So canvas, still life, fine art. How many options are there? Incredible. Airbrush, watercolor. Let's start watercolor. And so what I want to create is a hummingbird watercolor splash in multicolor in watercolor. So maybe let's start prompt. So this is ready, and now if you hit this ignite, it will start creating your art. So let's see what it does. So here you go. It is generating some ideas for me. In the meantime, I'll show you these options. Wow. So this art, I will remind everybody that this is been created with a machine has created this art. So, and you can see here in my account, until it is publishing, I will just show you. So this is a watercolor background. So you can see I wrote watercolor backgrounds, and it gave me this ideas and so on. Blue pottery patterns, tie-dye, and then geometrical patterns. So all these patterns are being created by a machine, by a computer, by artificial intelligence, AI. So this option of artificial art, artificial intelligence creating art is new, and this is just starting. So Creative Fabrica has this thing, has their own AI generator called Spark, and this, you can see this many options are being given. So I chose paint, and then you can see how many options are there: wet paint, gouache, splatter, spray paint, coffee paint, glass paint. So, and in this I have created uh, these designs. These are pretty usable. I don't know commercial I don't know how the law around the commercial use will apply. So I will suggest, like for example, this design, if you want this design, this comes free with Creative Fabrica subscription or free trial. And I will suggest do not use it as commercially. I don't know what the laws are, but I am experimenting with this AI art generator to see what it gives, what are the results. So here you go. So I'll open this one, and I will open this one, and I will open this one, and I will open this one. So you can see watercolor hummingbird splash. So it is pretty abstract, but and you can see here, amazing, they also use watercolor paper to create this. That's amazing. It is pretty usable. I'll print it and just remove this flower maybe, but this is something. And then this is amazing. These are all abstract. Let's see what, and also it defines it, what this program has created. Let's read the description of the design, because I have to define my designs as a designer for all my life, and this machine is defining what it has created. So let's see. Looking for a creative and DIY way to add some life to your home decor? Check out this digital graphic of watercolor hummingbird splash against a plant. Oh, it understood something else. This art print is perfect for anyone who loves flowers and nature. Make a great addition to any room. So it defines every artwork which this has created. So I mean, this is all hit trial and error. So I will, these are amazing. I like them. I'll print them out and make a collage. So these are the results, and this is my account, and I am collecting all my artwork, which is about, it is not working, maybe go here. So in my account I'm collecting all these designs. So you can see all my designs are here, and I'm slowly collecting them. And so if I have to go to this, so I have to select this. So I will post this link in the description, and then you can download this for free, but use it for small personal project. Do not use it as commercially, because I don't know the laws around it. So here you go. If you want to follow my account, the link will be in the description. So I have some artwork, and then I have some patterns. So thank you very much, and follow the link in the description to follow my account. Thank you.